So, hello again. We're going to talk about simplifying fractions. In the last video I did a couple of slides ago, I did a little simplification so that we could figure out the men over 40. Let's see how that was done. Okay? Basically, when I have a fraction, if it's not in lowest terms, it means I can take a number, which we call a factor, that I can divide out of both the numerator and the denominator. So in this case, if I look at it, what number can I divide into both the numerator and the denominator? And in this case, I can divide both of these by 5. And if I do that, go to blue, 20 divided by 5 is 4, and 35 divided by 5 is 7. So what we've done is we've reduced it. These are equivalent fractions. 20 divided by 35 is equivalent to 4 over 7, right? This gives us the same ratio for numbers. Okay? Similar idea here. Okay? The reality is 14 goes into 14 and 14 goes into 42, right? So I could do this. And I could get 14 divided by 14 is 1 over 3, right? However, 14 is one you might not see. You might not realize that 14 goes into 42. So let's rub this out. Okay? Pick numbers that you can see, that you do recognize. Well, these are both even numbers, so I can divide them both by 2. Okay, I can see that one. Okay, I don't have to get to 14 right away. And I can, well, 14 divided by 2 is 7. 42 divided by 2 is 21. Okay. Now I got to look at it again. Well, what I do notice, these are smaller numbers, but I could divide 7 by 7, and I can divide 21 by 7 as well. Right? So 7 divided by 7 is 1. 21 divided by 7 is 3. So we end up with 1 over 3. Now it took us 2 steps, but that's okay. We really keep breaking it down until we end up with something that no longer can be divided by the same number in the numerator and then the denominator. Okay, it takes a little time to do simplifying fractions, but you'll get there. Make sure you do some practice.